Okay, so welcome back again. Um, I've added a country to the list, but when you click, you have something like a branch is required to create a customer. So that one you can actually take care of it. You can add a branch because every customer must belong to a branch. So in creating the customer, then you select the branch. That is why you have been asked to. Now let's go to some other settings. We come to the identity management. So here you can actually create users who you want to give access to use the app. So you just fill the forms over here. And then I think before you create users, you need to work on the roles. So you can create a new role and then you set whether it is a default role or a public role. You can choose not to set any of them if it is so private. And then when you create the rules, you go into the permissions of the rule. So the permissions decides what the people who have that role can actually do. So we have identity management. Can they create role? Can they also create access role? Can they also access users? So maybe you can say, okay, for this very person, the person can access the role management but can only create, cannot edit, cannot delete, cannot change the permissions. So you can just select them. Then you can come to the settings management, that one too. When you are done, you can come to the main app, the main app. So if you check here, we have some permissions that you can set. For example, we have the customer's permission. So the customer page, which will be somewhere here when you drop it down, the customer page, you will ask yourself that okay, this very row, the row accounts, should they be able to create a customer? If they should be able to create a customer, you can check it. If they can create and edit, but they cannot delete, then you just leave the delete out of it. So you set it for every role that you create. After you create a role and you go to the users and then you create a user, you enter all the details. Now lock account after failed login attempts. If you want the person's account to be logged after they have tried to log in severally and it was kind of um, unsuccessful, then you can check it. But if not, you can just choose not to. After you enter the user information, you come to the roles and then you select which role the particular user belongs to. And that will pick. If you just say that that person should have business and customer menus, it will just work for the person as you work on it. So that is basically well, now it's just begun. Like I said, this is to let you know that work is ongoing and we should be getting far. Now, the UI itself too, I would work on it. Like, just don't bother about some of these uh, general names that are here. For now, I'm focusing on the logic. I want to put the logic in place and then I look at fine-tuning the project to suit your how do you call this word? Customization. Okay. So thank you very much. If you have any comment, please, you can just let me know. Thank you.